61%. That is the number of Americans who say their life would be fundamentally unaffordable without a side hustle. We aren't talking about beer money anymore. We are talking about survival. Inflation is eating your savings, wages are stagnant, and the safe route of a 9-to-5 isn't safe anymore. But here's the good news. While everyone else is complaining about the economy, a small group of smart hustlers are quietly building $5,000 a month income streams using tools that are freely available to you right now. They aren't smarter than you, they just have better inputs. Today, I'm not just giving you ideas, I'm giving you the code. I'm going to hand you 7 specific, copy-paste ChatGPT prompts that will take you from zero to a $5,000 monthly run rate. We're covering product ideation, client acquisition, and even full-scale automation. And you need to stay until the very end, because prompt number 7 is a mega prompt that effectively replaces a $10,000 business coach. It's the closest thing to a money button that exists in 2024. Stop thinking. Start executing. Let's dive in. Let's start with the biggest killer of dreams, analysis paralysis. You want to start, but you don't know what to sell. Do you make a course, an ebook, a template? Most people spend 6 months thinking and 0 days doing. We need to crush that hesitation immediately. We are going to use AI to match your existing brainpower to a scalable digital product. The problem: you have skills, but you don't know how to package them into a passive income product. The AI solution, the niche alignment, prompt. This prompt forces ChatGPT to act as a product development specialist. The step-by-step, copy this exactly. I'm interested in creating a passive income stream that aligns with my skills in insert your skill here, e.g. graphic design or Excel. Recommend digital product ideas, like courses, ebooks, templates, that I could launch in 30 days and give a launch step-by-step plan. Look at that. In seconds, it didn't just give you an idea. It gave you a product roadmap. It creates a bridge between what you know and what the market buys. The secret. Here is the pro tip. Don't stop there. Refine the prompt by adding a specific target audience. Change it to aligns with my skills in Excel for stay-at-home moms. The more specific the niche, the higher the conversion rate. But having a product idea is worthless if you don't have the skills to execute it at a high level. Time is your enemy. If you try to learn a new skill the old way, random YouTube videos and expensive degrees, you'll be broke before you're skilled. We need to compress the learning curve. The problem: traditional upskilling is too slow and lacks a direct path to money. The AI solution, the Monetization-First learning plan. The step-by-step, enter this prompt. I'm eager to boost my income by quickly learning a high-demand skill. Considering my current abilities, insert current skills. Recommend 5 high-income skills I can master in the next 6 months. Potential earnings, the best resources to learn, and first actions to start monetizing them. Notice what happened. It didn't just tell you to learn coding. It told you to learn Python for data automation because it pays $80 an hour and you can learn the basics in 4 weeks. It connects the skill directly to the paycheck. The secret: use the follow-up. Ask ChatGPT, what are the top AI tools that automate this skill? Now, you aren't just learning the skill, you are learning how to use AI to do the skill for you. That is how you compete with veterans who have been doing this for 10 years. But wait, don't click away yet. Because even if you have the product and you have the skill, none of it matters if nobody knows you exist. Tool number 3 is where we go hunting. Most freelancers fail because they are generalists. They say, I write copy, or I edit video, nobody cares. Clients pay for specialists who solve expensive problems. The problem: you are competing in a red ocean with thousands of other generalists. The AI solution, the blue ocean niche finder. The step-by-step. With my background in your field, what are 3 lucrative freelancing niches I should consider? For each niche, outline the services, client finding strategies, and how to secure my first clients in 30 days. This prompt helps you pivot. Instead of a graphic designer, you become a YouTube thumbnail strategist for finance channels. Do you see the difference? One is a commodity, the other is a partner. The secret: once you pick the niche, use this follow-up. Draft a cold outreach email tailored to this niche that focuses on their pain points. Now you have your sales script ready to go before you even finish your coffee. But chasing clients one by one is exhausting. It's a hamster wheel. To make $5,000 consistently, you need people coming to you. Let me tell you a harsh truth. If you build your business on Instagram or TikTok, you are building a house on rented land. If the algorithm changes tomorrow, your income goes to 0, you need an email list. The problem: nobody wants to give you their email address for free. You need bait. The AI solution, the Irresistible lead magnet generator. The step-by-step. I want to build an email list for my side hustle, suggest 3 compelling lead magnet ideas based on my niche, and provide a distribution plan for each. Help me develop the content or landing page for my favourite one. ChatGPT understands psychological triggers. It will suggest lead magnets that solve a specific burning pain point for your customer. It's not just join my newsletter, it's download the guide to save $1,000 on taxes. The secret. Ask ChatGPT to write the subject lines for the welcome sequence. The money isn't in the list, the money is in the relationship. What I'm about to show you next breaks every rule of traditional freelancing. Most people trade time for money. We are going to stop doing that. The holy grail of the side hustle is MRR, monthly recurring revenue. It is infinitely easier to sell one person a subscription than to find 100 new people every month. The AI solution, the subscription pivot prompt. The step-by-step. Transform a one-off product idea into a recurring revenue stream in my area of expertise. Propose possible subscription-based or membership models and what content or value I should deliver to keep subscribers engaged. Instead of selling a diet plan for $20, you sell a weekly meal prep accountability group for $15 a month. ChatGPT helps you identify where the ongoing value lies in your niche. The secret. Churn is the enemy. Ask the AI. Create a 3-month engagement calendar to ensure retention. It will plan your content so users feel crazy if they cancel. If you are doing everything yourself, writing emails, posting content, delivering files, you don't have a business. You have a job, and it's a job with a terrible boss, you. The problem? Operational drag. You spend 80% of your time on admin and only 20% on growth. The AI solution, the Chief Operations Officer, COO, prompt. The step-by-step. Give me a blueprint to automate marketing, customer service, and delivery of my digital product in my niche, including recommended tools, templates, and time-saving integrations. This is powerful. It will tell you exactly which tools talk to each other. When a customer buys on Stripe, send welcome email via ConvertKit, grant access via Teachable. It builds the machine. The secret, be specific about your tech stack. Ask, how do I automate this using only free tools if you are on a budget? We have arrived. We have covered products, skills, clients, lists, recurring revenue, and automation. But you still need the master plan. What I am about to give you is the longest, most complex prompt in this video. It is the mega prompt. This isn't just a question, it is a simulation. We are going to program ChatGPT to behave as a world-class business strategist. The problem? You have the pieces, but you don't have the order of operations. The AI solution, the solopreneur strategist persona. The step-by-step. You need to copy this exactly. It assigns a role, an objective, and a format. Role. You are an expert solopreneur strategist and business coach. Objective. Build a roadmap from $0 to $5,000 plus monthly profit. Deliverable format. Return a 7-section roadmap including mindset, validation, launch plan, monetization, and scaling. Look at the thinking steps section at the bottom of the prompt. We are telling the AI to map milestones backward from your target date. We are forcing it to prioritize ROI. This prompt generates a week-by-week execution schedule. It tells you what to do on Monday morning. It gives you KPI targets. It tells you what pitfalls to avoid in section 4. The secret. The user context section. Do not leave this blank, be honest. If you only have $50 and $5 hours a week, put that in. The AI will adjust the strategy to fit your reality. If you lie to the prompt, you lie to your bank account. The gig economy reached $556 billion in 2024. By 2032, it's going to triple to $1.85 trillion. The money is there, the tools are here. We just walked through the 7 keys. Most people will watch this video, get a dopamine hit, and do absolutely nothing. They will go back to scrolling, back to complaining, back to being the 61% who can't afford their life. Don't be most people. I challenge you to take prompt number 1 right now. Open ChatGPT, paste it in, see what happens. That is the only difference between you and the person making $5K a month. They typed the prompt. Hit that subscribe button if you want to future-proof your income. I'll see you in the next one. Now, go build something.